Shuttle system is used when you want to bring goods to an operator instead of taking your operator to go find the goods. So typically, operators would walk up and down an aisle, pick up products, put them on a cart, run through the whole DC, bring that to the front, and then ship it. A shuttle brings all those goods to the operator in the front already, so he doesn't have to walk through the complete DC. A shuttle system consists of a few different pieces of equipment. One is a shuttle. It runs back and forth on a rail system between racks. Inside of those racks are containers that have products. The shuttle then picks up those containers, brings them to a lift at the end of the aisle. Lift takes it all the way to the first lower level, and then an operator can take goods out of that container. The container then goes back up into the rack.